overcoming discouragement, we must remember this, it's not about you. Now, kung hindi ito para sa atin, para kanino? Tandaan mo mga kapatid. You're more likely to be discouraged when you're self-focused. Kapag tayo po ay laging nakafocus sa ating sarili, mas mabilis po tayo mapanghinaan ng loob. In 2 Corinthians 4:5, sabi po ni Paul, for we preach not ourselves. Kahit po si Apostol San Pablo, sabi niya, hindi naman ang ating sarili pinangangaral natin, kundi ang Panginoon. But Christ, Jesus the Lord. Mga kapatid, So, you may be popular, but your message is not about you. It's about Jesus. Someday, ako man sa aking sarili, mga kapatid, when I feel discouraged, palagi ko sinasabi sa aking sarili, pagka minsan 20 times a day, sinasabi ko na I don't have, it's not about me. It's not about me. It's about Jesus Christ. So whether I am praised or criticized, sinasabi ko sa aking sarili, it's not about me. It's Jesus. So kaya nga po mga kapatid, discouragement happens when we forget the why. Mga kapatid, Jesus is the why. Kaya nga po, remember, it's not about you. Huwag tayong maging self-centered and self-focused. Madi-discourage talaga tayo. So mag-focus tayo sa Panginoon.